Building information modeling has definitely transformed the AEC industry over the past few decades, but amidst the opportunities, BIM managers have had to grapple with a unique set of challenges, from data interoperability to standardization headaches. Each time a BIM model lands on their desks, the arduous task of checking and reviewing begins, a tedious, time-consuming process prone to errors and inefficiencies. Well, to help with this process, Building Smart is developing the Information Delivery Specification, or IDS, as a standard, which is aimed at enhancing information management in the build asset industry. This standard simplifies the definition of information requirements in a format that is accessible to both humans and computers. Using the IDS for BIM model checking enhances accuracy, streamlines collaboration, and aligns with automated processes, making it a versatile and future-ready tool. Now, Sevap has developed an innovative feature. By utilizing the standard, our app is able to provide you with a completely automated workflow for your BIM checking process. We provide you with a free Excel template with one of our plans that you can use to generate IDS files that conform to the Building Smart standard. And this is the easiest way for you to edit an IDS file, meaning that instead of spending extensive time reviewing BIM models after you generated your IDS file, it can be done in just 3 clicks. With Sevap BIM checking workflow, it can also mean that when collaborating with subcontractors, you can integrate an auto-checking process before you even begin your model reviews. So you don't have to worry about starting a check only to discover that it's not up to scratch. This essentially creates a 2-in-1 solution of checking and reporting. No more spending time creating PDF or Excel checking reports that nobody even reads. Instead, you can present interactive dashboards, ensuring a comprehensive and understandable overview for your final client, with no extra effort required on your part. So how can you go about doing this? Well, I'm going to show you the first step in the process, which is how to edit an IDS from a basic Excel template on the Sevap app. First of all, sign into your Sevap app. Next, go to the menu on the left and click on BIM Requirements. Now, let's click on the Upload BIM Requirement. Now a pop-up will appear. You can upload a BIM requirement file here, but right now we want to download the free Excel template provided by Sevap. So click on the highlighted Excel template and it will automatically download the file onto your computer. So let's open up the file. Now you'll see the 3 tabs at the bottom. One for the file information, another for some help topics, and the main sheet is specifications. So click on that one and here you have an empty sheet that is ready for you to fill in with all of your BIM requirements, just like this. If you need any help with understanding how to fill this free Sevap template, then we have another tutorial just for that. I'll drop a link below into the description. Now we go back onto the Sevap app to upload our complete Excel file. Click on the attach file icon just here and then click on local source. Select your completed file and click on open. Then click OK. Now you can see that your Excel file has been automatically converted into an IDS file by Sevap. So now you can download the converted IDS file by clicking on the drop-down menu button on the right over here and choosing Download Original. And there you have it. You now created your first IDS file with the fastest IDS editor on the market. Now you're ready to move on to the final step in the BIM workflow, which is how to complete the Sevap automated BIM checking process. That's in our next tutorial, so I'll drop a link into the description below. I think you'll find that Sevap's BIM checking dashboard is a groundbreaking tool that combines innovation with practicality. This tool not only saves invaluable time, but also significantly reduces the risk of human error, guaranteeing the utmost accuracy and compliance. I hope you have enjoyed this quick tutorial. Please leave us a comment below if you have any questions or if you would like to tell us your experience within the industry. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, press the bell for notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.